all, my love is athletics. I'm happy to be able to do those kind of things for my university.
His passion for athletics also runs deep, and as we began talking to him about this project, he said, I'm in. And that's the kind of guy he is. He's in. He's on the team. And when Andy comes to campus, he comes to campus with energy, excitement, but when he leaves, he still understands that he's an Eagle, and he's going to continue to support us.
The college atmosphere is academics, social, athletics. And there's always a need for athletics. And so I'm happy to be able to contribute where I'm called upon.
With a gift that actually has been the largest gift made to the athletics department in the history of the institution. It impacts a lot of people, and that was something that Andy wanted to make sure that we did. How do we make this impact all of our student athletes and all of our coaches?
It's nice to have the name on the building, but more than anything else, if I can help a student, even someone I've never met, don't know, they've got their education because of my doing, that's gratification enough.